My name is Shaban Hamis Kanua, the husband of Fatuma Ramadan Kanua. She is my wife. She had been complaining about her stomach pains for about 5 years. We visited a lot of hospitals, but we couldn't get exactly what she was suffering from. But lastly, we went to Hindu Mandal Hospital, where they said that she has a problem of kidneys. One kidney was not functioning well. So, at the Hindu Mandal Hospital, my daughter is working there. She's a doctor also. She met with Madam Shao, who was treated in India, under the assistance of Mr. J. He recommended that it is better to take her to India for medical treatment. Then we started communication with Mr. J, and we got a lot of advices which led us to decide to bring her to India. At the airport, we were met with a team of J's assistants who took us to the rest house where we're now staying. And in the afternoon, we went to hospital where we met two doctors, Dr. Cabra and Dr. Gulia. These people, according to my impression, Dr. Cabra is a very polite doctor, serious in his job. Dr. Gulia is a social person, very charming, but very tentative in listening to problems related to a patient. Before starting treatment, we were given a plan by those doctors. That was pre-surgery and post-surgery. First stage is to diagnose what is the problem. I appreciate that the hospital has modern equipment which were used to diagnose the problem. After that, we were told that she will get surgery. After surgery, she has to remain in ICU for 2 days and 7 days in the ward. And surprisingly to me, all the plan was implemented according to number of days. In fact, the process was shortened. We took 6 days to cover the first stage, and 1 day in this ICU, and 6 days in the cost of treatment was reasonable. And in fact, it was below estimated cost. Both in all exercises, in the first stage, second stage, and last stage. We were given a comprehensive costing, and they had to answer all doubts which I had.
Jina langu ni Fatuma Ramadhani Kanua kutoka Tanzania, Dar es Salaam.
He says her name is Fatuma Ramadhani Kanua from Tanzania.
Kufuatana na afya yangu, nimeanza kuumwa kama miezi 6. Nimetibiwa Tanzania, sikuona mafanikio. Kuna rafiki yangu akaniambia, jaribu na India, kuna madaktari wazuri sana. Ndio maana nikaja.
She says she had some problems, stomach problems, constant pains. She was treated in different hospitals in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, until when one friend of her by the name of Madam Shayo advised her to try treatment in India.
Nafurahi sana, tena sana. Huduma zao ni nzuri, siwezi kuelezea.
She's very happy with the treatment and handling of her issues at the hospital. He cannot have enough words to express her appreciation kwa usingizi.
Kwa kweli madokta wa hapo hospitalini ni watu wazuri, na ninawashukuru kwa kunifanyia matibabu kuokoa maisha yangu. Hali yangu ilikuwa sio. Shukuru sana.
She can generally speak that those 3 doctors, Kabra, Dr. Gulia, Dr. Varma, were very helpful to her. She was in a very bad condition, but she got a lot of advices, and the way she was treated by those doctors is something which is memorable to her.
Kwa ujumla, mazingira ya hospitali ni mazuri. Kuanzia madaktari mpaka manesi, mpaka wahudumu, wafagiaji. Hapa gesti ni nzuri, huduma zao nzuri. Tofauti yetu ni kwamba ni chakula kina pilipili. Tanzania hatutumii pilipili.
Yeah, she's very impressed with the environment of the hospital, how she was treated there, and also where we are now staying at the rest house. The services are very good. As for Jay, he was directing her to every department, talking to the relevant doctors who were very, very much helpful to her. Well, Mr. Jay's team is well trained how to handle patients. They're very polite. They take you wherever you want and wherever the doctor wants. In fact, that Fortis is a very big hospital, and it has so many doctors and rooms. For a patient who is not familiar with that area, can't trace his way. But these people were taking us up and down to every corner to seek medical advice. Surprisingly, we were given a VIP treatment because we were not hindered anywhere in a long queue. Wherever we go, Mr. J's assistant would go directly to the doctor, and in a few minutes, we are allowed to enter it. Well, I would highly recommend my friends and other relatives to use J's services for treatment in India. and especially at Fortis. When they ask me about what treatment did I get, then I recommend that they should use with a Jay's team who is very familiar with medical services in India, so that they can get the correct treatment at a reasonable price as he will advise them.
Nashukuru sana timu ya madaktari wote walionihudumia pamoja na manesi na wahudumu. Sina cha kuwalipa Rabbil Alamina. Ninamuomba Mwenyezi Mungu ndio atakayewalipa inshallah. Nakushukuru na wewe hapo kama mtoto wangu, kama mdogo wangu, kama mme wangu, kwa huduma zote ulizonipa. Umenipa, kampuni yako imenipa, na wewe mwenyewe kutoka binafsi group. Nawashukuru sana. Mwenyezi Mungu ndiye anayejua. Mimi sina cha kukupa. Hata zawadi ulizonipa hizi nakushukuru sana. Asante.
She's very thankful to all medical staff, and especially the great assistance from Health Voyage Global. She's very thankful to all. She had nothing to offer except God blessings. Thank you.